Okay, so this is a quick tour of talkingpoints.org. You can find it at talkingpts.org. Right? Go ahead and sign up or log in. Okay. So once you've logged in, you can set up your classes. But I'm going to show you how to compose messages after you've done that. So you can select your recipient. So I'm going to go to David's class, which right now has one student, and I can either compose a message and then save it as a template, customize the colors, or find a template that they suggest. So I'm just going to click that one. Then I have the option of attaching files from my computer, an image, something from my Google Drive, an emoji, or a survey. And now I can simply click send, and it sends it to that student in their language. So here's the message I sent. This gets filled in automatically with each student's name, and this message is sent in their home language. Now they have the option of sending a message back in their home language, but then it gets translated into English. And it's that simple.